Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to Earn Money YouTube channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into a step-by-step guide on how you can potentially earn $2,000 per day using Google News. Yes, you heard that right. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Number 1. Understanding Google News. Before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly understand what Google News is. Google News is a platform that aggregates news stories from various sources and presents them in a streamlined format. Number 2. Selecting a profitable niche. The first step in this journey is choosing a profitable niche. Focus on areas that are currently trending or have consistent demand. This will ensure a steady flow of readers interested in the content you provide. Number 3. Creating high-quality content. Next up, content creation. Producing high-quality, engaging, and informative articles is key. Google News prioritizes original and relevant content. Make sure your articles are well-researched and cater to your chosen niche. Number 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is your best friend here. Optimize your articles with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and well-structured headlines. This will improve your article's visibility on Google News and attract more readers. Number 5. Monetization strategies. Now, let's talk money. There are a few ways to monetize your Google News content. One popular option is using Google AdSense. This displays ads on your articles, and you earn revenue based on clicks and impressions. Number 6. Building a social presence. To maximize your reach, create social media profiles for your news site. Share your articles, engage with your audience, and build a community around your content. This can drive more traffic to your site. Number 7. Consistency is key. Remember, consistency matters. Regularly publish fresh and relevant content. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also boosts your credibility on Google News. Number 8. Analyzing and adapting. Keep a close eye on your analytics. Monitor which articles are performing well and why. Adapt your content strategy based on these insights to continuously improve. And there you have it, folks. Earning $2,000 per day with Google News is definitely achievable, but it requires dedication, research, and hard work. Start by selecting your niche, create valuable content, optimize for SEO, monetize effectively, and don't forget to engage with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content.